This is just 20 minutes drive. What's going on? I know he's coming. Hi! Okay, Oma. Okay, Chuku. Hi! God. My dream of chopping Okechuku has come to pass. God, what I've been longing for. What I've been praying for. My crush. I've been crushing on this Okenwa since I got married to this village. Matagika hakimakachi. Matagita oyoze atagi. Hey, Okenwa. If you just come like this, I'll just spread the leg. Okay, baby. Hey! Okay, wow. I can't wait to devour you. I will tear you to pieces. I will show you what I'm made of. Whatever. Hello, happy girl. How are you? I will not be coming back today, okay? Yes. So I want you to take care of these kids for me. I want you to bathe them, feed them, and lock everywhere. Okay? Yes. In case my father-in-law asks about me, tell him I'm already sleeping, okay? Yes. I will see you guys tomorrow. Alright. Alright, bye. I'm just... Okay, baby. Okay, baby. Hey! Okay, okay, Chuku, my crush.
How much do you have in your pocket, your account and everywhere?
1,500 naira. That's my last card.
You said the truth.
How did you know that? Are you a magician? A seer?
No. Look, I want to teach you the secret of wealth. You will become very rich if you do what I'm about to tell you with your last card, your last money.
Children don't they do yahoo yahoo? Listen, if your format is talking towards collecting my last card, it won't work. So don't even go there. Don't waste your time, okay? I will not give you this money.
I don't want your money, and I'm bigger than that. Yes. See what I want you to do. I want you to share your money to beggars. Give it to them.
You're mad. As what? Pastor Chris, I'll be waiting. I don't get that kind of church mind. Why I go share my last card to beggars? Thank God I'm not taking your water. As what now? Pastor Chris or what? I'm not that nice, please.
Where are you going to?
Hey, Nanya, bro. I am not your mate. Stop wasting my time. I have somewhere important to be. I thought you called me here to help me. I have to share my last card to beggars as for the Christmas. They want to meet you here.
is this guy not taking his call? Let this boy not prank me this evening, no. Because my body is already standing for him. Eh? Why is he not taking his call? I thought he said he's on his way to this hotel. Okay, Chukwu, you said you are coming now. Eh? Don't keep my body standing.
Why did Juliet ask me to give beggars my last card? The only money that I have with me. What will I use then in buying food for Mama and Ebuka? Even Amara, my sister, has not eaten anything. God.
The MTN number you have dialed is currently switched off. Please try again later. Thank you.
Switched off? How? How now? How can your number be switched off, Okechukwu? Eh? And I've been here drinking since. Getting high. Okechukwu, don't do this to me. Your number cannot be switched off. Eh?
The MTN number you have dialed is currently switched off. Please try again later. Thank you.
Hey. Hey, Okechukwu.
Yagenwa. I have done as you instructed. I shared my last card to beggars. What next?
It's a lie.
Look me well. I know they lie. I have no reason to lie. I don't lie, no matter this. I've done what you asked me to do now. Stop making me talk too much.
I know you have given the money to the beggars.
How did you know? Why are you acting like a mysterious girl? How did you know?
I followed you. I was behind you. I know you gave the money to 3 beggars. Though you wanted to keep some for yourself.
How did you know that, by the way? You said if I share my last card to beggars, that I will become rich within 24 hours. You said that that's the secret of wealth. I've done that. So what next?
Go and sit down there and wait for me.
Yeah. Stop ordering me around. No matter what, I am not your mate. Respect me. Stop ordering me around.
Okay, Shuku, go and sit there.
Don't you know I'm old enough to be your father? You're ordering me around. Anyway, open. If this is no work, open. What is this?
The box of wealth. I don't know the mystery behind this. It works for my grandfather, my father. It works.
How?
Please, do not ask me so many questions. I may not have answers to them. Please promise me that if this box finally makes you rich that you have whatever you desire, that you will not break the rules.
I hope this is not abracadabra. I just hope.
No. Get a bag, any size of your choice. Put this golden box inside the bag and keep it in the room. Do not sleep in that room. Return the next morning and you'll be amazed. Do not be carried away. I repeat, do not be carried away.
Okay.
You have to promise me to obey the rules.
What rules?
Rules of wealth. You will always give to the poor in order to continue being rich. You must return this golden box to me if I demand for it, or you will give it to whomever I want you to give it.
Failure to do so.
You will become 10 times poorer. Your life will be miserable. And this mystery box will no longer be under your roof. So please promise me.
Okay. I will obey the rules. I will.
Promise.
Good afternoon.
Ngwa, come and eat. Where did you go to? I know you must be very hungry.
Mama, I want to see a friend.
You went to see who? A friend? Where?
Mom, somewhere, but Mom, I'm not hungry. I don't want to eat.
What do you mean you are not hungry? You haven't eaten anything since morning. Come and eat, my friend. Which one is you're not hungry?
See, Mom, see, I don't want to eat. See, Mom, please, when am I going back to school?
Don't worry. You know I just started this business. Oh, when I make some money, I'll take you back to school. You will go back to school. Oh, please.
Mom, see me, I want to go back to school.
Come and eat. Don't worry. You will go to school. By the time I make
to go back to school.
Yeah, where are you going to? Come and eat your food now. Can you imagine? Eh? This boy. Chisom, how can you look at that phone? Let me.
What is the meaning of it? What is the meaning of this potty you just placed in front of me? Do I look hungry to you?
Okay, landlord, I'm just giving you the food so that you can eat.
Why not give me that inner food? That inner food is what I desire. Give it to me and then I'll be fine. Are you so being stingy with this thing? Give this thing to me. Eh? You think my wife does not cook for me? Oh, you now see me as someone who goes about eating anyhow. Give me that food on your waist. That food on your waist is what I want.
Hey.
My being moody is because you have refused to give me that thing.
Okay, landlord, please. I'm sorry, I can't. I'm still mourning my husband. Because
you can't give it to me.
I can't.
Are you the first woman to mourn her dead husband? Your husband died, leaving this thing for people like us. So you must give it to me. Are you listening to me? You must give it to me. Oh, I now get it. Just because you now have money to run your business, you now have the audacity to talk back at me when I talk. No single respect. You will leave my house and go to where that will shield you. We cannot have two captains in the same ship. I have made my point. Consider it done. If you agree right now, everything will be fine. But refuse her to give that thing to me.
Landlord, I can't. I can't. I cannot give it to you now. What is it? Why are men like this? What kind of thing is this? I don't like this thing that is happening though. Oh, I don't understand what is happening. I should give you this thing. For what? It's because
Mama, you're awake. Thank God.
Where is Okechukwu, your eldest brother?
Mama, he left the hospital a few hours ago. Yes, the doctor asked him to bring 1.7 million for his surgery.
Oh.
And for it, nothing.
And what?
And nothing, Mama, nothing. Yes, I think he left to go and look for the money.
Where is Ebuka?
He's fine. He's fine. He's fine.
Amarachukwu.
Yes, Mama.
I don't think I will make it.
God forbid.
The pain is becoming so severe. Where is your brother going to get that kind of money? It's too much.
Mama, I know. But God have never forsaken us. He'll provide. You just need to stop. You will not die. Stop saying negative things. You will not die, please. You will not die. Yeah, Mama?
I don't want to die, Mama.
Mama, you will not die. Yeah? Sorry. Just Mama?
Yes, if your brother is not here by tomorrow, then I'm afraid your mother does not stand a chance to make it.
Hey, Doctor. Doctor, why now?
Because she's losing blood and the illness is gradually, weighing her down because of the pain. Yeah.
Hey, cold. Doctor, please. Just help us.
And your brother too.
Yeah, he actually went to look for the money. My mother went to look for the money. Please, just help us. And I'm fine for my brother. I don't want my mom to know about that for now.
That's not a problem. That's not a problem. We just have to find the money so that we can carry out an operation on both of them with immediate effect.
Oh God. I don't even know what to do with the doctor. Please. You have been helping us. Just continue this one. I don't want my brother and my mother to die. Look for the money, I will pay you.
I wish there is much I can do for you, but my hands are tight. Of course, this is a private hospital and there is nothing much I can do for you.
Hey, Doctor, are you planning to say you cannot do anything for me?
I didn't say so. What I'm saying is you guys should go and look for the money so that
we are looking for it now, Doctor. Please, we are looking for it. Please, I believe God will do it. My mother will see money. I will pay, but please just first start treating them so that nothing will happen to them, please.
My dear, like I said, I wish there is much I can do. But right now, my hands are tied.
Hello, Juliet. I've done as you instructed. The box is now in a bag. Listen, are you sure this pen will work? Because I don't, it's hard to believe. Okay, now, we'll look at you. I appreciate. You are begging him.
I'm standing, please come and go. Just go.
That's interesting. I have warned you to stay away from my woman. What is your problem? Money is not everything, no.
See, Okechukwu, let me tell you, you see Ruth here? Ruth, I will prove to you that Ruth is going to be my wife. In fact, it's not going to take too long.
Very soon. You should be ashamed of yourself. Because you scammed Oyibo, came back with dirty money. Instead of you to be doing charity and know whether God will forgive you, you are here dragging my woman. Be careful with me. Stay away from this woman.
Then you should go and make your own money now. See, As for Ruth, she's going to be my wife, and nothing you can do about it.
I'll show you say we were the village, eh? You get why we be village boys. No, wait. I will show you say how we get this village.
Inside the car. Come on, just go.
Brother, if I see ritual, I go do ritual.
Okay.
I go do ritual, Mama.
Ebuka, shut up.
Mama, I no go shut up.
You will not do any ritual. How could you say a thing like that?
Mama, I see you now. You do your medication, you take Gary before you take your drugs.
It doesn't matter.
It does matter, Mama.
Gary is food.
Which no be this kind of food we want chop for this house. No be this kind of food. Which kind of poverty be this?
Brother, I heard Auntie Dorothy want to give you keke so that you'll be driving for her.
I will slap you now. Now keke you want me to drive, Abi? Keke?
Is keke not something?
Mama, it's not something. It's not something. No be waiting we want make it they do be this. Keke, you walk it, you go drive keke. For time, maybe you could see you.
Okay, where are you going?
Anajob Aswaku. If you must do ritual, use yourself. Tell me your mother, your nonna.
Now, did you say the woman?
Yes. She said I should come and take the keke tomorrow.
Oh, I'm so happy. That's so nice of her. I had a dream. Yes. And in that dream, you were so rich. You became so rich in that dream.
It happened.
I know it will really come to pass. But my son, do not be greedy. Learn to return thanksgiving. Do not forget all those that helped to lift you up. That's just the secret of wealth. My son, please. Do not forget this thing I'm telling you now. Even if I'm no more tomorrow, do not forget it. It will help you in life. I know one. Okay.
Go and check the bag.
But you said 24 hours.
It's morning already.
I'm rich! I'm rich! I'm rich!
Congratulations. You are now a worthy man.
Landlord is showing our things outside.
Eh? Our things?
I'm pretty
He's
sure.
throwing it away.
Yes.
It's a lie. Can't be possible.
I'm pretty sure of it. See him and some guys. They're just scratching the house and throwing our belongings outside.
Can you imagine? Just go. Let me rush down. Make sure you take care of this place.
Yes. Let me go. Okay, I'm coming. Huh?
Can't you see her?
What is she doing in this village? Eh? Is this her father's land?
Do I know? Do I know? She's not even from here.
So what about her son?
I don't know. That one should be dead by now. I don't know their whereabouts and I don't want to know. I don't care. Why are you even asking me as if I should be monitoring them?
Look at that. Nonsense woman. Eh? Evil woman. We'll deal with that.
Yes, now. Yes, now. Just be staying in this village as if
this is her father's land.
This is her father's land.
We'll make sure we'll send her back.
Yes, now.
I don't want to be seeing her again. She's annoying me.
Very nonsense.
Her presence is just like it's like a threat to us.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, please. Please, I will give you money. Please, I have money.
Useful to me in this.
I have money. I will give you money.
I don't need
please.
your money. Your money I don't need. Do I look broke to you? Give me this thing. Why are you being stingy with it? Give it to me.
Sir,
take your money and go elsewhere. I don't want you anymore in this house.
At least you would have given me notice than taking me on away. Why are you doing this to me? Biko.
I have helped you. You know very well I have been so helpful to you. It is time for you to reciprocate back. This thing is what I want. Give it to me. You prefer to go out there and start giving it to those stupid low-life boys out there on the street. Why can't you give it to me?
Sir, I can never give it to you.
Oh.
Yes, I can't give it to you,
You
sir.
can't give it to me.
Pity me now. I'm a poor widow, please.
You can't give it to me.
Sir, I cannot. I can't give it to you.
You prefer to give it to those boys out there on the street. But you can't give me, your landlord. I am done pitying you.
Sir, please,
okay?
Please.
You are leaving this house this minute. I have locked the door. You can see the key with me. If you have a change of mind now, I will return the key back to you. And then you can take your things inside the house. You will stay here. Rain will beat you. Sun will beat you, and there will be nobody to take you in. Stupid idiot. You can't give it to me.
Because
you cannot do it.
Fool. Sir, I'm begging you. Sir, why you doing this to me? Sir, why you doing this to me? I'm a poor widow. God, I'm tired. Why is this happening to me? God, what is this now? What is it? Hey! God, what do I do now? Hey, Chico. Hey. It's not fair. Hey. Cannot do this.
Hello? I want that woman to evacuate her things from the position she's doing her business. Yes. Hey, don't say anything. Do exactly what I want. I don't want her there. Let her evacuate her things from that place. Listen, don't argue with me. Do exactly what I want. Send her out of that place. She's a witch. She's a thief, she's a prostitute, all in one. Of what use is she to me? Good. Do it, and then I'll see you later. And when you finish, you come and see me. What kind of rubbish is this? What kind of man does she think I am? She thinks I'm a fool that she can just toss around with. Let's see who's more powerful now. Nonsense.
God, look at me. God, look at me. Oh, look at me. God, look at me. Look at what my late husband's brother, Kalu Anobi, has taught me into. God, look at me. Look at me, God. Why? Why me? God. Once a landlady living in this kind of place. God, why? Where do I go to? What do I do? God. God, look at me. Oh, look at me. I'm calling on you, God. I'm calling on you, God. God, you have to do something because I'm tired. I'm tired. Where do I put my head? Where do I go from here? God, how do I cope with Nemeka, my son? God, look at me. Oh. Look at me, God. Look at me. God, look at me. God, help me. I'm tired. I'm tired of this suffering. I'm tired.
Hello? Yeah, hello, who's this? Okay, how did you get my number? Yeah? What's your name? Duke.
Okay. How did you get my number? Oh. Oh, okay, I see. You're one of my husband's tenants. Why haven't you paid your rent? Alright. I hope in 6 months' time you're gonna pay your rent. Please, you have to, please. Don't worry, I'll talk to my husband. Alright, it's fine. Thank you.
God, I was once a landlady, and look at where I'm living now. God, God, I'm tired. Look at me, God. God, look at me, God. Where do I put my head now? Where do I go?
Emeka, go, Emeka!
Madam, no verse. You see any small boy wearing school uniform, just run this way, just this way.
Small boy wearing uniform?
Yes.
No, I did not see any
Madam,
small
no
boy.
be you know I did not see any small boy. You dey sure of wetin you dey talk? You dey sure of wetin you dey talk because the guy follow this way now.
Will I be lying to you? I said I did not see any small boy now. Eh?
Guy, bye, yawa. Boy, just go catch him.
Let's go. No be say, may we go. May we follow this way so I go fit see this guy now. We fit see this guy if we waka this way now, abeg. Yeah? No go. Madam, dey sure this thing you tell us, so no use us play, oh.
Small boy wearing uniform. I see any small boy.
said it. Okay, one. I knew you will make it. I knew you will make it in life. Hey! Chineke kele the reggae.
Hello. Hello. Number one.
Mama.
Number one, no be guy name. Now do it. Now no say you be man. Now you be man. Number one.
Yes.
You be man.
Yes.
Hey.
I said it.
Don't make noise.
Can I call our
knew you will
neighbors?
make it.
This neighborhood know the right noise.
Hey.
What is happening?
You can see yourself everywhere. You
Guy.
can see yourself everywhere.
Okay, what is happening? Mama, it's okay. Let's go.
You can see yourself everywhere.
They don't like noise.
Don't make noise. I told you that you will make it. Hey, what? I'm on the mirror. Hey! See myself every day. Yes, it's my hey! Mama! One day he to go jackpot.
Oga, I think say I don't pay for this place. If you think say I dey like, make I show you receipt. I don't pay. Why you dey pursue me comot?
You don't pay for this place.
Yes.
And you get receipt.
Yes.
So you want to teach me my work. So now you want tell me wetin I go do, abi?
No, I no dey teach you.
No, that is it. Now wetin you dey do be that now?
Oga, pity me. I'm a poor widow. Now let me dey take care of my
Which kind poor widow be that? See, pack this thing comot for you if you want say anything. If you know wetin good for you, if you know wetin good for you, just carry this thing. Comot for here.
Oga, abeg, no be only me dey here. Na other people still dey here.
I no understand.
I dey beg you.
I no understand.
Oga,
You dey tell me say na you dey tell me say other people dey here. Oya, come carry this thing.
no go be.
My thing. Carry this thing comot for here. Carry everything. Now you want to teach me my work. Now you want to teach me my work. Aya, come dey go. I don't want to see you for here again. I don't want to see you here again. Make they hear me. Carry everything they come for here. They come on. Carry everything they come on. I don't want to see you here again. Everything you carry. What? You must come up for here.
Mama, I hope you all like it.
The fan said,
Hi. That's very.
Are you still asking?
Listen, I'm warning you.
Okay.
If you spoil or break anything here, I will keep that you have my blood aside and beat the hell out of you. Be careful around here.
Number one!
Finally, no noise around this vicinity.
Number one. I want to make noise.
Mama, what God has done in our lives shall remain permanent.
Amen!
Hey.
What God did in our lives shall remain permanent.
Amen!
As we have started eating on top dining, we shall never go back to floor.
Amen! Oh,
No, whoa.
Number one. Number one, I feel like making noise and you say they don't make noise.
Don't be here.
They will arrest you.
We have governors, commissioners, billionaires around here. Don't just.
oh man, I call him.
Hey! It's okay. Sorry, sir. I feel like making.
I have arrived.
Number one, leave.
Mama, you have been disconnected from poverty forever.
Amen!
Say bye-bye to poverty.
Obiam,
Don't say poverty, bye-bye.
Obiam, bye-bye.
From now, you'll be eating only organic foods.
Bagam.
Number one.
Anything where they break on top is not for you.
Yeah, what?
They prepare your food, you eat it fresh, okay?
Yes.
Organic food. Let me call someone to bring something for us.
Thank you. Okay.
No! I feel like making noise and you say they don't make noise here. What is happening?
Thunder, fire, poverty. Yes, thunder, fire, poverty. Money is not everything. Money is not everything. Shut up. Make it first before saying that nonsense. Look at my cars. Look at my house. My family members are happy. See organic settings now. Environment, they give joy. Atmosphere is soft. Look at my cars. Look at my home. Oh, Juliet. Juliet, you are God sent. Juliet, you are the secret of wealth. You changed my life. I am now rich. Thunder, fire, poverty. Thunder, fire, poverty. Thunder, fire, poverty. Let me talk about. So that's the environment they give joy. I don't even want it if it is not everything. Money is nearly everything. See organic joy, man.
The food is so delicious.
Mama. Just look at us. We are eating on top of the dining table. Even you, brother, because you're using a glass cup to drink water. Who will ever believe that this will be yours today? Look at my brother's house now. Better don't go and buy your own house. So let me have 2 hours. I'll be going
My
to
friend, will shut up. See, village girl and the form posh.
Who is a village
so
girl?
You know glass cup.
I don't understand. Does this hair look like a village girl's hair? Eh? Mama, tell brother Ibuka, I'm not a village girl. I'm a big girl.
Amara, Ebuka, please, you people shall allow me to enjoy this meal in peace. Because, did you hear me now?
Mama, is it true that Brother Okechukwu wants to take us abroad?
Eat your food. Dear Rigi.
All of a sudden, he's on money, swimming on cash, poverty bye bye, chopping money, spending money. There is no mercy for cash, no digger.
Give me my keys. I said you should give me my keys. Give me my keys. I said you should give me my keys. Are you okay?
Now you give me the key. Why I give you the key? Why I go give you the key?
Are you a madman? What is your problem? You cannot turn up for me. You are a thief. Did my husband born this keke for you? Eh?
Madam, the last time I checked, now your husband called me for phone, no, so make I come carry the drive. I don't know why you can't drive the keke with me. See, like this now, I am not answerable to you. I don't fit give you this key. I don't fit.
You are not answerable to me.
Yes.
I will tell you that I am the real owner of this keke.
I know if
you will give me that keys right here and now.
Here.
I said, give me my key, you Chris. Oh yeah, give me my key.
Okay,
give me my key, you Chris. Are you mad?
I don't give you.
I
don't give you.
Did my husband want
give you.
Are you stupid?
You give me key.
I said you should give me my keys. Are you mad?
Leave my clothes.
Are you stupid?
I go beat you.
You go beat you.
Madam,
they never born you well.
Yeah, because of the woman, no. Now you making the leave you.
They never born. I go carry you off. Leave my keys.
You see this key, I
don't feel madman.
I don't feel give you this.
And I will tell you that I'm a madman.
Give me
my keys.
I don't give you because of the woman.
I
go beat you. I go beat you here. I go beat you.
Don't say to me anything.
Dorothy.
You're stupid.
Are you still like this? So you never change? Huh?
Okay.
Why are you embarrassing this young?
Okay, is this you?
No, it's my shadow.
Hey.
Enjoy your moment of surprise. My guy, what's up now? Why should I harass you?
Nah, see me wahala. I done my own. No, this woman can't abuse me anyhow. Now, husband carry keke give me, make her the drive. You get? This woman won't collect the keke from my hand. I don't understand.
Because you refused to sleep with her, Abby?
Why they know?
I've been there now.
God bless you. Now the problem is this. It don't finish. Nothing to.
Listen, sleeping with married women destroys destiny spiritually.
I'm a married man. I'm not
so don't even succumb to that nonsense.
Okay, I don't like this thing you are saying. Come, you are going to give me. Give my key.
Take care, beg. Sort yourself,
You're a stupid madman. How can you?
You don't see this woman. Thank you, sir.
You're a madman.
Thank you. Take your key. Take your key. Take your key. Come out. God bless you.
Okay.
All of a sudden, he's a money, swimming on cash, poverty bye bye, chopping money, spending money. There's no mercy for cash, not the girl, chopping money, spending money. There's no mercy for cash, not the girl. Your money's bigger, it's larger.
I didn't do all of that for you to come and help me or show appreciation. I am happy for you.
Yes, but you did something special for me. Consider the months I come and appreciate. Do you know what you did for me? You disconnected me from poverty. I was even thinking, I want to be taking care of you until you are ready and set for marriage, then I'll marry you.
No, you don't need to. I am not ready. You see, all I want you to do is to continue helping the poor, giving alms. That is all I want you to do.
But I can wait. I didn't say I'm getting married to you. I want to be taking care of you till you're ready.
One more thing.
Which is?
The golden box.
What about it?
I want you to give it to another person. I have listened to her story, and it was so sad. She is homeless, helpless, and shattered. Her husband brother collected everything from her and kicked her and her only son out. She's struggling, pushing so hard to survive. But life and people has been so cruel on her. She used to be a wealthy woman, wife and mother. But everything changed ever since her husband died. So you hand the golden box to her. Yes, you have to give it to her. It will remain with her.
Why?
It's not yours.
Yes, it's not mine, but I can help this woman. I can give her money, I can upgrade her, not giving her the golden box.
No, I don't want you to help her. I want you to give her the golden box. Yes, you will give it to her and tell her how to use it so that she can bounce back and become 10 times richer than her former self. So that her son can stop stealing and the curse will be broken.
Do you want her to be richer than me?
You're not competing with her.
This is going to be difficult.
Okay, Chuku. You're not sleeping.
Mama, you have nothing to worry about, okay? It's just business pressure.
Okay, Chukwu, I know you. You are my son. I know when you are worried. I know everything is not fine with you.
I'm not denying the fact that I'm not worried. But it's not something you should bother yourself about.
Are you
it's
sure?
Business. I'm just trying to sort one or two with my agents. Okay. Even if I tell you the problem, will you go to China and sort it out for me?
No, to the extent that your favorite food I kept for you, you did not touch it at all.
Mama, I ate outside before coming. Listen, don't worry yourself, okay? I'm not a baby now. I'll be fine. Will you do the business for me? It's business pressure, don't worry.
No, but then I know that you're worried. You don't want to tell me the truth.
Go to bed. I'm fine, okay?
Are you sure?
Trust me. I'm okay. I'm fine. Okay, let me smile for you. Go to bed, I'm okay. I'm smiling, I'm okay. Oh, pray and go to bed, okay? It's well, even in the well.
Are you for real?
My sister, I am telling you the honest truth. Do you know, as I'm talking to you right now, Ruth is in her father's house. Even the husband is nowhere to be found. Nowhere.
I heard you ran mad since you could not be able to bring wood for sacrifice. Wonder shall never end.
My dear, Obi, I warned Ruth. I told her to stay and believe that Okechukwu will make it. But she didn't listen to me. Now she's 2 months pregnant already.
You don't mean it.
I am telling you the truth. Ruth knows they listen to me. You know you're very far now. She's very close to me, so I know the whole story. I mean, everything.
Hey, love, my baby, sugar.
See you now. See you. Turn around. Let me see. Hello. Again. What is happening?
Okay,
How you doing? I'm alright. I'm alright.
I'm fine.
So let's have a drive around town. Let's paint the town red, blue, black.
You don't mean it.
I want to spend some money on you, please. Get into the car. Get into the car.
Ebu, can I at least join you guys, even if it is just one plate of the soup? You know, go bad now. Just one plate, Ofu.
As who? Like my grandfather's girlfriend? Excuse me.
I beg, don't spoil show for me.
Who be this rat, man? I follow you because you're mad. Ebu. Hey! Jesus, wonder shall never end. Who could believe that Okechukwu will become this rich? Hi! Hi, fuck off, Papa.
Okay. I'll see you what you have done. Let's settle this record. I will make her rich. I will give her enough money. In fact, I will establish her. Okay? Forget about it.
I did not ask you to give her money. I said you should give her the golden box. Remember you promised me to be obedient and loyal.
You've not even told me. What is the mystery behind that box?
It's none of your business. You don't have to ask me. Okay, Shuko, do not make me angry.
Listen, that box is too big for that woman. She can't handle it. Let me establish her. Let me just give her money and discharge her now.
Okay, Shuko. You should be concerned why I want you to give that woman that golden box. Why I want the golden box to be with that woman forever. Okay, Shuko, do not be greedy and selfish. Give that woman that golden box and tell her what to do so that she will become rich.
I'm not being greedy, just that. How can I give? I'm finding it difficult. I can't give that box to anybody. Talk more of that woman. It's not my own now.
Okay, Shuku.
Okay, Chuku.
No. Where you there? I get a job for you, link up. I get job for you, link up.
Hello, boss. Yes, boss. Boss, I don't search for that girl everywhere. I no see her. I don't even go her school. I don't check, ask questions. They say they don't see her.
The little girl now want me see. I want her dead at all cost. She's becoming a thorn on my flesh. Listen, go to the village square, village market, village school. Track her down. I just want to hear that she's dead.
Boss, I'm not sure say that girl na human being. No. I mean, she is not always around.
No excuses. I want her dead at all cost. Capiche?
Okay, boss. Yes, boss.
What kind of girl is this? What kind of girl is this? What is it? What is it?
I'm on my way to the embassy. From there, I intend to go to the village to get the papers you asked for.
Okay. Enjoy.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Okay. How long are we staying in Dubai?
As long as you guys want.
Okay.
Can you now go? What's your problem
sorry.
now?
Sorry. Brother, are you sure you are fine?
Boss, are you sure that girl is human?
What do you mean by, are you sure this girl is human?
I can't find her. And she's not always around.
Slum.
Yes, boss.
You're a professional. Yes. This is your job. I want that girl dead at all cost. Stop telling me stories.
I'm sorry, boss. You know I'm a professional in this game. This time around, I'll get her done.
Which year? Even they made Nahum.
Boss, I promise I will get her done today.
Kill her at all cost.
Yes, boss.
Result! Give me result! Results, not excuses.
If I were you, Okechukwu, I will do what the little girl says.
This is township, you don't advise people. If I tell you how much that box gives me on a daily basis, you will leave this job. In fact, you will drag that box with me.
What did you want me to do for you, Okechukwu?
I want that box permanently. Kill Juliet for me. I can't give out something that gives me money every day.
But it will cost you fortune.
Okay, name your price. My app, they work.
Osaku Sariogu Magana. Oriogu Magana. Osaku Sariogu Magana. The great Ikenga. The great Ikenga. Ekene kekono rekene afekene nkwa.
Okechukwu, do not dare me. Do not dare me. Because you will regret your life if you do. Do not dare me.
All of a sudden, he's on money, swimming on cash, poverty bye bye, chopping money, spending money. There is no mercy for cash, not the girl, chopping money, spending money.
Ebu's man. Ebu. Ebu, I'm happy to see you. Hey, look at you. How are you doing today?
I'm alright. So, what is it? Why did you stop me?
Okay. Ibu, I wanted to see you. I've been searching for you everywhere. I couldn't find you, but I'm happy to see you today. I actually want to see you. I know I've wronged your family, and I'm here to talk about it.
Alright, my time is very short, yeah? My time is very short. I'm very busy. I'm running somewhere. So, go straight to the point. What exactly did you want? Why did you stop me?
I actually can't. I'm sorry. I'm here to plead for you to help me with your brother's number. I've searched for him everywhere. I couldn't find him. I need to speak to him about something. I just need his contact. Please. Ebu.
See how shameless you are. Did you hear yourself? Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Huh?
Married woman. Why are you asking for my brother's number? I thought you were married.
No. It was a mistake. That's why I needed to see him to explain to him.
Oh, okay.
I'm not married.
Okay.
I'm single.
Okay, done.
I'm
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm
Please.
searching.
It's okay, please. Just so I remind you, let today be the first and the last. You would stop me, ask for my brother's number, or go to meet anyone to ask for his contact. Please, keep your distance from us.
Hey, Ebi, it hasn't gotten to this. I know you're angry with me. Just his contact.
So see yourself now. How do you feel? Shameless.
Ebi.
It's larger, always know you can't spend it alone. Chopping money, spending money. There's no mercy for cash, not the gold. Your money's bigger, it's larger, always know you can't spend it. Cause it's alone, that is bigger.
Please, I take God beg you. Please, don't blame me for anything. I only advised you as a friend because I know he has money. I can take care of you. Please don't try it, I beg. Because
advisor, I can see the way your mouth is sharpening. You know you wanted to use me for money rituals, right?
And what if he doesn't? What if he doesn't use you for money rituals? Tell me, what if he doesn't use you? Stop disturbing me, please. You're disturbing my peace. I don't like it.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes.
I blamed you for everything. I regret ever listening to you.
You blame me for everything?
Yes.
Oh, that's so simple. Then live my life alone and go. Stop following me and be talking like parrot. I don't like it. Biko. Stop following me. Now it's okay. Go your way. Let me go my way.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, brought by force.
You know what? I will shock you. I'm going to shock you. Mark my words. I will reconcile with Okechukwu. Yes.
Oh, bravo.
Very, very soon.
And that's none of my business. It's none of my business. So you go ahead and do it.
You're a bad friend. You're a deceiver. I regret ever coming in contact with you.
Oh, really?
Ever!
So now you realize I'm a bad friend?
Yes, you are.
Wow! Did you not have feelings for him? Were you not the one that told me he kissed you and you fell for it? Were you not the one that told me he gave your parents money? Your father, your mother, and everybody in your family? Did you give me any? Did you give me any, Ruth? Please, I take God beg you. Don't disturb my life, please.
You asked me to kiss him. Are you not the one that asked me to kiss him the first time?
No, go and fall inside fire
yes,
now.
No, come back here. That is why you keep remaining single.
Don't speak on my body.
No boyfriend at all.
Don't speak on my body.
No man at all.
No, tell me.
Look at you.
The girl fine.
That might be Juliet. Let her come.
Okay.
Ruth, I wasn't expecting to see you.